Alright, we're going to try and change perspective a little bit. Maybe a little bit closer to what I'm actually doing here. Make it easier for you to see. So, I guess you have to let me know how this works. So the problem I had is what the hell to do with this piece here. Looks like it's part of like maybe exhaust or something. I'm not sure. It doesn't really tell me what it is. I've looked at a couple other videos and I don't even see them going through the trouble of painting the inside of that black. Let alone painting the individual lights, because a lot of people are using, they're building the model and then they're spraying it with a base paint and then they're spraying different colors for weathering and stuff like that. So I'm just kind of trying to stick to the instructions that talk about painting different parts and stuff like that. I don't have the spray kit. At this point I don't intend on investing in a spray kit with a compressor and all that stuff that goes with it. I just don't have the space, folks. I just don't have the space. I'm in an apartment with my wife. It's only temporary. You know, a few years we'll be going back to the States. So I just can't see it. I can't see investing in it. I'd like to. I think it would be fun. But, nope, not sure what the hell I'm doing here either. Thought I had this figured out. Oh yeah. Guess I'm just trying to put this there. So I'm just going to hold it. Hopefully let it set somewhere here. Because the drawing doesn't do a good job of showing me, you know, is this supposed to be closed all the way? It doesn't look like it. See, I don't think it's going to, now that I've done that, I don't think it's going to sit. Yeah. We'll try it. This is all going to be hidden anyway, believe it or not. Alright, we're going to leave that right there. And we'll come back. A few more hours. We still need to put on the these two pieces to the back of the tank. C8s are next. The hooks, if you will, not the hooks. What the heck do you call them? That'd be a good question. What do you call them? Ooh, have to be careful here. Not to damage the part itself. This is for towing, basically. So a little bit more care should be taken on the sanding where it came off the tree. Now, if I can put these in without gluing them and they stay in, I'm not going to glue them because that's more realistic, right? See, we get the, there's no reason to glue them then. If they snap in like that, see? Then I've got a moving part. Nice! Woo, boy! That finishes number 3. Next up is number 4, which is weird. I missed something here. 3, we did that. 4, what? That's funny. So if you look at number 4, it shows the engine. But if you look at 4 here, it shows the lower wheels being put together. 2 of these, of the 4As, and then 2 of the 4Bs. So I guess we do, since it's 2, 3. 3B. So I guess we can do the engine. Oh, we got some painting to do here. Okay, the wheels aren't painted, but the engine parts are painted. And that's all part of 4. So we've got number 20 and number 7. $20 being black, 7 being polished steel. 20 being black. Okay, and 20 is D3. Right here. D3. Looks like the for the air intake fan. Probably don't have to be too fancy, just the top and the sides. Nothing else is going to be seen. That's to be black. Could probably paint it right there. Matte black. Oh, it says to shake, right? How are we going to do this? Guess I should get myself a painting board. I see a lot of the people that do this all the time. They have like a board that they paint on. Probably be better than painting on my table. Not that I mind at the moment. So maybe we can do like half of this. Let that half dry. Come back to the other half. I think that's exactly what we'll do. Now it also has D1. I heard some complaints that this won't even be shown. You won't even be able to see this. So that means you just got to keep it open so it can be seen. Oh my, shouldn't do that. We just scratched the whole thing. So now it's like showing, oh, it's like showing like just the top black. Hard to tell, I don't know. See, now this one it shows the whole thing is black. This one it kind of shows like the top part black, not the. Why is that guy crooked? These are all straight up except for one, which is like that. So let's see what we can do here. I think is it the manifold that goes over the carburetor or something like that? I don't know. Everything, of course, has a name, right? I think we just do the top. Mighty Jingles did a video of his building this KV2, which is really going to help us later on. He talks about the trouble he had with the tracks and stuff like that. So by watching that, I'm already aware of what's coming up. All right. I'm going to wash the brush out. We'll do silver later. I'll do silver and black when we come back. I want to make sure I don't kill the camera in the middle of doing things. The paint comes out when you first open them after shaking them, so bear that in mind if you ever use this type of modeling paint, as they call it. I'll paint the other half of the what do you call this? Manifold cover? There's a name for it. Here. That guy's black like it's supposed to be. Then C21s are supposed to be silver. And D2. Oh, and the insides of the D1. But first, we just use black. Wash this out quickly. So we'll do that. We'll do D1 first since we've already removed it from the tree. I'm guessing the whole thing is painted silver. So I think anything that's not black is going to be silver. That's how I'm going to interpret it. Well, I don't like how this spreads. It could be the brush. It doesn't spread smoothly. I guess it's probably the person putting it on. Will it call for a second coat? Maybe. Which is weird. Good thing I got a lot to paint. Oops. A lot to paint. So I got a lot of overflow from shaking it. Yeah, well, since these are going to get it anyway. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing, can you? Sorry about that. Probably still can't see what I'm doing. In which case we'll just edit it out. First time working a model. I just realized I'm gripping the part that I just painted.